Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a mood bubble widget in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and go and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Widgetable, or you can go and join as a guest. But now guys, let's see how we can actually go and see firstly what we actually have in front of us. So here, as you can see in the bottom, we have three tabs. We have the Explore tab, the Wallpaper tab, and the More tab, where you can see everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a mood bubble widget in Widgetable. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. Firstly, when we are on the featured screen where we are at the moment, you just need to go and scroll down and find the mood bubble. So basically we can do it together. Scroll, 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 and it will be here somewhere. Just a second. Maybe you already passed it, to be honest. So here it is. Oh no, sorry. Here we have some notes for friends and stuff. But your mood bubble should be somewhere here, to be honest. So when you go and find it, you just need to go and click on it and save it. So it is pretty simple. When you, of course, go and find the mood, here it is, mood bubble. Click on it. Of course, put everything that you want, today's date, background, font, everything, click save, and you have your mood bubble. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.